Can you believe it? One book made over $11,000 a day in just its first month, and another raked in up to $299,000 in 2 months. Intrigued? Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can dive into this business, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find winning ideas, create your book, and profit from using Amazon KDP. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the business model. What is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, is a platform that allows you to publish books directly on Amazon and earn royalties from each sale. It's an ideal starting point for beginners because it eliminates the need for upfront costs. All you need to do is create your book and publish it on the platform. Amazon takes care of the printing, shipping, and distribution to customers. This means you can focus on creating content while Amazon handles the logistics, making it a low-risk way to enter the publishing world and start earning money from your books. Step 2. Choosing your book. Type low-content books. Low-content books include planners, journals, notebooks, and similar items that require minimal text or graphics. These books are relatively easy to create because they often feature repetitive layouts and simple designs. Due to their simplicity, they are popular and have a high level of competition, making it harder to stand out. Consequently, the profit margins for low-content books are usually lower, since many creators can produce them quickly. However, they can still be a good starting point for beginners looking to get a feel for the publishing process without investing significant time or resources. Medium content books. Medium content books, such as coloring books and activity books, involve a bit more effort to create compared to low-content books. These books typically include more detailed illustrations and interactive elements, which require a greater investment of time and creativity. While they face moderate competition, they offer better profit margins because they provide more value to the customer. Medium content books strike a balance between ease of creation and profitability, making them an excellent choice for those who want to elevate their publishing game without diving into the complexities of high-content books. They are ideal for creators who want to explore more creative and engaging content. High-content books. High-content books encompass guides and both fiction and non-fiction books. These books demand significant effort in terms of writing, research, and design, making them more challenging to create. However, this difficulty translates to less competition, as fewer people are willing to invest the necessary time and skills. High-content books generally offer the highest profit margins because they are harder to replicate and often provide substantial value to readers. They can establish an author's reputation and brand more effectively. If you're willing to put in the hard work, high-content books can be a rewarding venture with significant financial and personal benefits. Step 3. Examples of success. First, we have the low-content book entitled Things I Can't Say Out Loud in Meetings. It is a linked journal that earns about $900 monthly. Its humorous and relatable concept makes it a popular choice, showing that even simple low-content books can succeed with a unique idea. Next, we have medium content books like successful coloring books. A coloring book that earns up to $500 daily is an excellent example of a medium content book. With engaging designs and higher effort compared to low-content books, it attracts a substantial customer base and offers better financial rewards. Then, an example of a high-content book is the High-Earning Workout Guide. A workout guide earning $11,200 daily showcases the potential of high-content books. With detailed exercises, illustrations, and videos, this book provides significant value and faces less competition, resulting in high profit margins. Step 4. Finding winning ideas for the paid method we have, using BookBeam tool. Let's start with the BookBeam tool. It's an amazing resource that helps you find profitable book niches on Amazon. The main feature we'll use is the Niche Finder, which lets you explore top-selling books in different categories. Next, we'll adjust the filters in the Niche Finder. This is super important because we want to focus on books with low competition, but high sales potential. You can filter by book type, sales rank, and more to find the perfect niche for you. Once we have a list of potential niches, we'll dive into the analysis. We'll check out the bestseller rank, BSR, monthly sales, and royalties for each book. Plus, we'll review the content and format of the top-performing books to see what makes them stand out. For the free method, we have using DS Amazon Quick View. If you're not ready to spend money on tools, no worries. There's a great free option, the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension. This handy tool shows you key data about Amazon products right in your search results, including the BSR. Now, let's head over to Amazon and start searching. Use broad or specific terms related to your book ideas and look for products with a promising BSR. This number gives us a good idea of how well a product is selling. Aim for a BSR that suggests steady sales but isn't too competitive. To get even more specific, we'll use the space method. Type your main keyword like coloring books, and then hit the space bar to see suggested narrower categories like coloring books for adults relaxation. This helps us find sub-niches with less competition and better chances of success. Step 5. Creating your book. First, analyze competitors. Look at popular books in your niche and review their content. Note the number of pages, illustrations, and customer feedback to understand what works and what doesn't. Generate ideas. Use tools like ChatGPT for inspiration. For example, ask for a list of kawaii-themed items to include in a coloring book, such as cute animals and sweet treats. Create illustrations. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate high-quality images based on your ideas. These tools help bring your concepts to life with minimal effort. Enhance quality. Use an image upscaler to improve the resolution and quality of your illustrations. High-quality images make your book look more professional. Design the cover. Create a unique and attractive cover using Canva. Look at competitors for inspiration, but ensure your design stands out and reflects your book's content. Interior design. Arrange your content pages in Canva, making them visually appealing and easy to follow. Consistency in design enhances the professional look of your book. Upload and publish. Sign up on Amazon KDP, fill in the details, and upload your manuscript and cover. Preview your book, set a competitive price, and hit publish. Your book will soon be available for purchase on Amazon. By following these steps, you're well equipped to embark on your journey into self-publishing with Amazon KDP. It is important to understand the business model, to find winning ideas, and then create your book. Each step is significant in ensuring your success. As we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What type of book are you most interested in creating? Low content, medium content, or high content? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on building a successful online business. Happy publishing, and here's to your future success. Remember, persistence and creativity are key in this endeavor. So, take the knowledge you've gained here, put it into action, and watch as your dreams of becoming a successful author come to life. We're excited to see what amazing creations you'll bring into the world. Happy publishing.